lies a town that holds secrets of the past.
Today, we travel to the beautiful province of Northern Samar, where history and education collide.
We're heading to Allen Central Elementary School, not just for a typical school visit, but to explore a hidden gem, the Canyon Relics.
Allen Central Elementary School is located amidst rolling hills and bustling communities. Here, the students not only learn from textbooks, but also from the whispers of the past, a place believed to hold ancient treasures and be the site of an unexplained phenomenon. Here within the school grounds lies the mysterious canyon relics. They were used by the Americans against Japanese soldiers during the World War II from 1941 to 1945. Their presence sparks curiosity and ignites the imaginations.
The 43rd Infantry Regiment of the United States Army used cannon relics, metal weapons and armor during the bloody siege of Katubig from April 15 to 19 in year 1990s. The two smaller cannons are on the ground and are surrounded by a metal chain. There are three cannons left. The larger one is elevated on a concrete pillar. The historical warfare weapons employed during the American War in the area are cannon relics, of which three still exist at the moment. This artifact is accessible to the public and is being viewed as such because it serves as a somber reminder of a dark chapter in Samar Island's history. As if guarding Allen's approach from the old harbor, cannon remnants can still be seen around the hillside of the public elementary campus, in the foreground of the ruins of the old Gabaldon School building. During the American colonial period in year 1899 to 1941, this historical document was created.
To unravel the story behind the canyon relics, we spoke with the person in charge in the tourism office of Allen Northern Samar.
So, yung liwat siya, under liwat yun siya san DepEd, kaya tungod kayo to sa ira ingod. So, ang classification niya is mga under antiques ng relics. Ang alin kasi sa to naging parang very important nga military camp sa panahon sa Amerikano during that time. Tapos, yun, naging kuan siya, parang control point. Yun siya dun nga area. Kaya, very strategic ang pagbutang sa mga cannon relics kasi direkta siya pakat sa dagat. So, sa ito nga time, ini nga area doon, mao siya pinaka strategic nga area para madali maimod ang approaching ng mga so yun. Kaya yun doon ang mga canyon. So, as to detailed nga history sa mga canyon, wala good kami, pero maka-provide ako sa iyo sin small lang nga information base sini nga amo gin-submit sa NCCA na National Commission on Culture and Arts. So yun lang. So gadlason ka kuan diri kami wala masyado information nga damo. Labot na la siguro kay kun magko-cultural mapping kami, which is diri pa mangyayari niya na tuig.
May da po mga mapagtatas na po ba para po mabutangan ang pinaka-marker po ba yun?
From NCCA, parehas sa ito nga sugad ko kanila, same sa Gabaldon Ruins. Ma-undergo kami soon sila, no? May ma-assess soon, may ma-kanhi, ma-undergo sin process, dire sugad song adali. So yun, sa niyan, wala pa. Kay kinahanglan pa nato sa permission sa DepEd, kay, kaya siya sa Suludsan School.